Alright guys, so the reason we're out here today, it's about 5 o'clock at night. We only have 2 hours left of fishing, but I got a report about a hot bite, and I just had to drop what I was doing and get out here. These salmon, they're in and then they're out. You really got to take advantage of it. But as I'm pedaling out right now, not even a mile from the launch, they're right here. They're right here. But anyways, not even a mile from the launch, there's a commercial guy trolling here back and forth. This school is really big, so I gotta set this drag appropriately. I gotta set this drag properly, really let them run, and I gotta hold on for dear life. This is gonna be a fun one. Here we go. I'm on. I'm on. Yep. This is a good one. It's a good one. He's going to you. Going to you. Sorry. Oh yeah, they're all on the surface here, guys. Yeah, it's going to the beach. Hog. Okay, quickly, kill this guy. Get back in there. Oh, this guy was so well hooked. He wasn't going nowhere. Look how easy that comes out. Slug, guys. Slug. Let's get back out there. All right, here we go again. Come on. Feels nice. What we came here for. Let's do it. Definitely bigger than the first one. so high up. Jumping. Hog, baby. Woo! Oh, that's fat. God damn. Oh, hooks came out already. My grandpa just made me this new bonker out of wood. Put it to good use today. This is my good luck bonker now. Oh man, did we capitalize and execute today, boys? I love it when a plan works out. All right, let's show you this guy. Hog. That's it. That's what we came here for. Hog. Oh, 20 pounds maybe? What do you guys think? Look at his tail. Oh. Look at this. This is not my hook. At least it's barbless. But somebody lost this fish today. It's a big one. These big fish, they're hard to land. Not only are they hard to keep on the hook, but getting them in the net is really hard. Probably the most difficult fishery I've ever done. But look at this guy. All right, guys, double limits. Let's go. Get out there, get your own salmon. Oh. See you next time.